All right, and last but not least, we're going to learn how to add some transparent images to decorate our drawing. So again, on my example, you can see that I've got like a pen and some paintbrushes and some cute leaves. So I'm going to show you how I added those. So what we're going to do is up here in the top, we're going to look for insert image. And we're going to search on the web. So we're going to search on Google. For a transparent image. So I'm going to search transparent, and then I'm going to also put line so that it'll be like a line work, and maybe we'll say botanical. Botanical is just a fancy way of saying plants. So when I do that, I get all of these fancy plant images. So let's see if this one works as a transparent picture. So what I mean by that is it won't have a background, right? So I've selected my image. I'm going to press insert. Ooh, and look at that. It is fancy. It doesn't have a background. So I'm going to go ahead and place this where I think it would look good. And then I want it to be white instead of black. So what you can do if you want to change the color of the drawing that you pick, you can go to Format Options up here in the top, and you can go to Recolor. And I'm going to recolor it to be negative. So if I hover over this, it might tell you that it's negative. But it'll look like there's nothing there, but that's because it's going to turn white. So I'm going to click on this. And then, oh my gosh, look at that. I've got a white picture that now looks really cool next to my image I chose, right? But I've got another problem. It's on top of me. So what I want to do is click on that picture, right click to change the order, and I'm going to send it backward. I am not going to send it all the way to the back. I'm just going to send it backwards so that it's behind my face. And that might not work at first because I've got all these other things over here. So there is also a hotkey that you can use. So if you look next to where it says send backwards, if you press Control and the down arrow, then that picture will continue to move backwards. And then there you go. You can see it's in front and now it's behind. It was in front and now it's behind. So you can continue to add as many of those as you feel like look good for your image. And then you can also add text to put your name. So what I'm going to do to add text is I'm going to insert word art. And then I'm going to type my name and press enter. And now I've got some word art that I can change the color of. First of all, before I change the color, I don't like the font. So I'm going to come up here to the top, change the font to permanent marker. I like that one better. And now, if I don't like this color on the inside, I can come back up to this paint bucket tool, and I could even pick one of these colors that I custom made, right? So hopefully that helps.